Hello, children. Welcome to your numeracy class. We are in our numeracy class today, and today we have to take out our book number 1 of numeracy. What are we going to learn today? We are on page number 54. Open the page number 54 of your textbook, and we are learning counting by fives. Counting by fives. Okay, we have learned how to count by 2 and somewhat how to count by 10 to make our task of counting easier. When there are lots of objects, grouping them in 555 will make our job easier. So how to count by 5? I will explain you in detail, don't worry. So children, here is the number 5. When we add 5 more to it, it becomes a 10. When we add 5 more to it, it becomes a 15. When we add 5 more in 15, it becomes a 20. When we add 5 more in a 20, it becomes a 25. And then 25 plus 5 will become 30. Look at it. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. This is counting by 5. You didn't understand? Is it difficult? Let me make you understand using your fingers, okay? So take out your fingers. So children, you took out your fingers. There are 5 fingers you have, okay? You have to start counting from 0, after 0, okay? Count from after 0. You have 0 fingers. Now you have taken out 5 fingers. Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We will start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So there are 5 fingers. Now take out your another hand. Now how many fingers are there? Here are 5 fingers. You have counted them all. Now how many fingers are here? Let us count after 5 now. Yeah, we have counted after 0 here. Now we will count after 5 here. What comes after 5? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you have 10 fingers now. Here are 5, here are 10. Now you have only 2 hands. So take another person's hand. Take your mama's left hand now. Okay. So you have 5 fingers here in this hand. Now you have counted all together. In another hand you have 5 fingers, and now in total in both hands you have 10 fingers. Now here is your mama's hand. Now let us count after 10 how many fingers are there. Okay, we have added 5 more fingers, and now let us see how many fingers are now here. So count after 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now there are 15 fingers in total. Okay, there are 5 fingers, then you added 5 into 8, so it becomes a 10. Then you added 5 more, so they become 15 now. Now ask your mama to take their right hand. So you had, how many fingers you had in the beginning? 5. You take out 5 fingers. Then you added 5 more fingers and they became 10. Then you added 5 more fingers for your mama and they become 15. Now ask your mama to take out her right hand to help you out here. And now count how many fingers are there now. We have added 5 more. 15 were there. Now count. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So now you have 20 fingers here in this page. Okay, total 20 fingers you have. Now who is around you? You can ask another person, because now your mama's hands are also over. Now she has no fingers left now. So let us ask our papa then. or your grandma, granddad, anybody. Now you had 5 fingers, then you added 5 more fingers of another hand, then they became 10 fingers. Now then your mama added some and they became 15. Then your mama added more, they became 20. Okay, now your father added 5 more, so how much they became? They become 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Now they are 25. The fingers are 25 now. Now ask your papa to take out another hand. Yes. So now they are 5. Then they became 10. Then 5 more. So they became 15. 5 more. So they became 20. 5 more and they became 25. 5 more. So what do they became? These are 5. Let us count after 25 now. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So there are 30. Likewise, children, you can add more hands and see what is going to happen. After 30, if you add 5 more, it will become 35. 40. Okay. So this is how it is changing. So let us revise all the counting by 5 we have done using fingers. Then afterwards we will use another objects. Okay. So let us move ahead and help this bunny to walk on this path. Now what is written here? Bunny hops around to count his carrots. Will you help him hop? Hop with me. 5, 10. This is 10, children. Okay. 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. These are 60 carrots. This is how bunny counted carrots. 60 carrots. There were 5 carrots. Then we hop on 10, then 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. So children, was it fun? Now you know counting by 5 very well, है ना? So you can do this exercise now. So let us put a CW here and do this exercise. Okay. Count by 5 and fill in the missing numbers. Now we were counting by 0 and now we will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here are 5 balloons. Now count 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there are 10 balloons. Now 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. There are 15 balloons. Now count after 15. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So there are 20 balloons. Very good. Now these are 30 stars. Counting after 30 makes it 35. Okay. 5 more stars makes it 35. 5 more stars makes it 40. 5 more and it will become 45. Yes, dear. Very good, children. This is how you count by 5. Now this one you have to do by yourself. Okay, do by yourself. This is an HW. Now children, let us come on the page number 56. Bundles of 10. Bundles of 10. So children, we have already learnt about counting by 10. Okay. When we were in the last semester, we have done it. You can watch that video again. Counting by 10 I have already sent. So let us all revise it one more time. Tom counts his pencils. He has 10 pencils. He ties them in a bundle. So these are Tom's pencils. The bundle has 10 pencils. So Tom tied them together and now this is a bundle of 10. Okay. Count the number of bundles. There are 3 bundles. So 1 bundle, 2 bundle and 3 bundles. So how many pencils are there? There are now 30 pencils. These are 10 plus 10 is 20 plus 10 is 30. 10, 20, 30. This is how you count. Okay. So there are 3 bundles. That means 3 bundles of 10. That means you have to write a 3 and don't put a 0 there if you are counting by 10. This is how easy it is. Okay, we have learned it in that video, you remember? So Tom has 30 pencils now. Now let us do this one. Count and write the number of yellow pencils Tom has. Now these are also Tom's pencils and these are yellow in color. Let us count them. 10, 20, 30, 40. Yes, children, these are 40. Very good. Now, this page is your homework. You have to do this page all by yourself because this is simple for you. I know you can do it. So put a HW here in small letters. Okay, I have written it very big. You write it very nicely, HW, and complete this exercise where you have to count the number of bundles and match it to the correct number. Here are some bundles and here are the numbers. You have to match. Okay, so children, you can do this exercise by yourself, counting by 10. So this is it for today. We will meet in the next class. Till then, bye bye. Have a good day.